Get ready, dear friends. Now I am going to dictate you Tamil Nadu's examination paper, that is May 1975, at the rate of 100 words per minute. This is an elaboration. This elaboration dictation about 4 minutes dictation, 4 letters. Please kindly concentrate. Number 1. The Tata Steel Corporation, Bombay, is in need of a staff nurse for its medical organization on a monthly pay of rupees 600. The candidate should be matriculate with A grade certificate in nursing and 3 years previous experience. Age below 35 years. Additional benefits like provident fund, free medical treatment, leave travel concession, etc. are available. Preference will be given to scheduled caste or scheduled tribe candidates. Candidates already employed should send applications through proper channel. Application form and other particulars will be available with personal officer on payment of rupees 2 payable by postal order. Prepare a newspaper advertisement as from the personal officer. Number 2. The store's manager, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Southern Division, Madras 2, invites sealed tenders in duplicate from reputed manufacturers or their agents for the supply of 100 number of room air conditioners of 2-ton capacity. Detailed tender specifications can be had from the office of the stores manager at the above address on or before 10th December 1974, sending crossed Indian postal order for rupees 4 drawn in favor of the corporation's finance manager. Tenders will be received up to 3 p.m. on 26th December 1914 and opened at 3:30 p.m. on the same day in the presence of the tenderers who are present. Prepare tender notice. Number 3. On 20th August 1974 at about 8 am, a private bus coming to Madras dashed against a car coming in the opposite direction near Avadi. One of the front tires of the bus suddenly burst. The driver became nervous and could not control the bus effectively. All the 6 occupants of the car were thrown out of the car and were seriously injured. 2 children among them became unconscious. All the injured were taken to Madras by the next bus for hospitalization. Prepare an eyewitness account of the accident. Number 4. Due to cyclone and floods, the buildings of the elementary school in Kuppam village, North Arcot district, was badly damaged. The cost of repairing the building is estimating to be rupees 15,000. Panchayat or Panchayat Union has no money to meet this expenditure. Children are suffering without school building. Prepare a petition from the villagers to the collector of the district requesting him to arrange for the early repair of the school building in their village.